Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to install Java on Windows 11. Whether you're a budding developer or just need Java for an application, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Head over to the official Oracle website. Just type in Java JDK download on your browser, or use the link in the description below. Make sure you're on the official Oracle site to avoid any sketchy downloads. Once you're there, select the latest version. I recommend the long-term support version for maximum stability. Next, scroll down to the Windows section and download the .exe installer. Once it's done, double-click to open it. Now, follow the installation wizard, just hit Next, accept the license agreement, and let it install. You can keep the default installation path or change it if you prefer. Alright, the installation is complete. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's set up the environment variables to make sure everything runs smoothly. Head to your Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and open Edit the System Environment Variables. Under System Properties, click on Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, hit New and type Variable Name, Java Home, Variable Value, your installation path. Alright, now let's get the installation path. Just follow these steps. Open this PC on your desktop or open File Explorer. Click on Local Disk C:. Open the Program Files folder. Find and open the Java folder. Inside the Java folder, you'll see the version you installed, like JDK-23. Open that folder. Click on the address bar at the top. The full path will be highlighted. Right-click on it and select Copy. Perfect. Now, go back to the Environment Variables window and paste this path into the Variable Value field for Java Home. This ensures your system knows exactly where to find Java. Alright, let's make sure everything is working perfectly. Open Command Prompt and type Java-version. And that's it. You've successfully installed Java on Windows 11. You're now ready to code, run applications, or even build the next big thing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding!